Hi, it's Sheena here, and this is episode 2 of The Sheena Show. And when you find your focus, the world finds its way to feature you. And that's exactly what happens in this episode. I'm taking you behind the scenes of my shoot with the incredible Louis Jones, also known as BluGraphics, for Style Muse Magazine. But before the glam and the camera clicks, there was a moment, a shift, with a little help from triquetra's methylfolate. I dialed in, got laser clear, and started asking the questions that needed answers. This is The Sheena Show, episode 2. Let's get into it. Okay, so when I saw this lace look, I decided that I really wanted to push the envelope and shoot it outdoors. The simplistic look did well and stood on its own, and we captured it against the skyline, and it really made the green pop. This item was from RS Love, and I absolutely love working with them because their clothes are top tier. It's such a creative and sexy way to showcase style, and I'm obsessed with those looks. And this shoot was actually featured in Style Muse Magazine, and I'm so excited to see this on the pages. So if you flip the page, you'll see what we were able to get. If you truly know me, then you know that I'm always on a quest to find focus. And so when I tried this methylfolate option, I was blown away. It really helped me get a lot of work done in the office and really just hone in and focus for hours upon hours. They actually have it in adult and kids formula, so you can find it on my Amazon shop. Hi, it's Sheena here, a certified life coach with Anna Counseling and Consulting, and I'm here to ask you the questions that you need to define the life of your dreams. So the first question I want to ask you is, in what areas of your life do you need to slow down? Sometimes it's about assessing where you are, stopping, or slowing down and figuring out in which direction that you want to go. So take a moment and think about what areas that you need to slow down. And make sure you think about this. I'm honestly honored to be a part of Speedway Harley-Davidson's Pit Crew as one of their promotional models. And I was there for the official demo day, and let me tell you, it was full throttle from start to finish. As part of the Pit Crew, we're the first energy you feel when you step onto the lot. We help to guide the experience and make sure the vibe is right. And we got riders signed up to test drive every 2025 Harley model straight off the official demo truck, and it was a ball. From making sure they watched the safety video to encouraging them to step inside and check out the full inventory, we helped bring the brand to life in real time and found out their thoughts on each ride that they took. And that's what a true promotional model does: represent, engage, and connect with people in real time, in real moments. I had an awesome time. If you or anyone you know are considering Harley-Davidson or are a current rider, make sure that you visit Speedway Harley-Davidson right at the Speedway in Concord, North Carolina, or follow them on Instagram at Speedway HD. There are events that go on all of the time, and it's always a blast. Thanks for tuning in to episode 2 of The Sheena Show. Later!